everybody, it's TMIKA. I am here with an Alina Cuddle Design Team project. I am using some vellum. I am using this word die and shadow set. I'm also using this 5-piece flower. It's already embossed. I'm using some gold foil and these cute little gold flat back pearls. Also this Paris stamp. I'm going to start out by cutting my die twice on some heavyweight cardstock. My cardstock is 110 pounds, so I'm going to use this little tool just to bend over the edges, but really you can pinch them together. So I'm using this little thing like to emboss the center and fold it and pinch up the edges. You can also do this by adding just a little spray of water and folding them up yourself to add a unique touch to that. And I'm going to glue them on top of each other, offsetting the petals. I'm going to grab my little gold flat back pearl to put into the middle of the flower and attach that with some hot glue. To add a little fancy to it, I'm going to add a little bit of stickles on the edges of the petals. And with the magic of television, that is going to dry super fast. The next thing I'm going to do is just share with you guys, by cutting it twice, you'll get a whole bunch of sets of flowers just like that. Go ahead and do that. Repeat that over and over and over again to as many as you want. I'm going to take my Paris stamp. I'm going to use some clear embossing powder and our embossing ink and stamp it onto my vellum. It's a very thick vellum, so it's heavyweight. I'm going to add some gold embossing powder to it and then put the rest back in the canister. I went over it twice to get a nice heavy gold texture. Look how cute that looks when you add that heat to it. It is beautiful, and I love this look on vellum. I'm going to cut this down a little bit so that it's just perfect for my clear bag and my flowers. Add a little pop dot to the back of that flower and repeat that and on the rest of the layers there. Look how cute that is. You have a whole bunch of sets of flowers there. Then I'm going to take my Hello die. I'm going to die cut that out in some black foil reactive paper, and then use the foil from Alina, the gold foil, and emboss that or heat it, foil it with my laminator. And I run that through twice just to make sure that I get as much on there as I can. So I love how this turned out. Just cute little hello. And I'm going to add some wet glue to the back of that and add it on top of the shadow. There we go. I'm going to use some packaging that I got in the swap to complete this look. I load this into my bag, realize that it's a little too long. Just cut off the bottom, add some clear tape, and voila, done. Fold over a little bit of piece of paper and hot glue that onto each other, and I will cut off the extra so that it's a nice neat package. You guys know my fuss with bows. I try not to fuss with them too much, but I made a quick little bow out of that extra little packaging, and then the bow I apply with some hot glue, finish it up on the corner, and there you have a cute little package. Thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you soon. Be sure to check out Alina Cuddle.